Janet. I have an unboxing for you today from Uniquely Creative. Now, I met them at Creativation this year, and they gave me a sample of their products. They came all the way from Australia, and I believe it was their first time at Creativation. So let's just take a look at what is here in front of me. So I have what they're calling embellies, and we've got 4 different kinds. We've got 2 gold, 2 kind of silver, but these are round. And these are kind of like a hammered head, if you will. It says gold pearls on this one, gold rhinestones. So these would be silver pearls, I'm guessing. Yes, silver pearls. You can see that they're different sizes of those. And then this one they're calling silver bling. Can you see it's more of a mirrored type clear top? So those are the 4 packages of embellies. And then I got this stencil with a variety of star shapes on it. This is called Twinkly Star, and that's a nice size. Let's just take a look here and see. It looks to be 6, I'm going to guess by 4, and it is 6 by 4 inches. Then I got this unique stamp of a girl. It almost looks like the owner's daughter, so I don't know that if it was taken from her likeness or not, but there is a stamp. Then we have this mark making stencil. It looks to be almost like a bookmark shape. It has the angles at the top, which are kind of nice if you want to copy that angle. You've got a hole here, and then you've got like this dotted, almost what am I trying to say, Braille type language. And this says mark making, and it is called Matrix. So there's that stencil, and its size is 4.6 by 17 centimeters. And so that is, the stencil part I would say is 6 inches. The whole thing is about 6 3/4 inches by about 1 7/8 inches wide. Then embossing folder. I don't have a name on this one, but you can see that it is kind of a fence type look to it, so that's nice. And the size on this is just under 6. I'm going to say 5 3/4 by 4 1/4. And then lastly, we got some double-sided adhesive dots and lines. So I think those will be very, very, very useful. Now this is a new to me company, and I'm excited to get started and trying out their products. And let me know if you've worked with them before, if you are familiar with the Uniquely Creative brand, and if so, what products do you have of theirs, and what are your favorites? Appreciate you sticking to the end of the video. Don't forget to like and give a thumbs up, and also if you subscribe, you'll be able to see when I have a new video up for you to review. Thanks for watching.